not on caste.
So you think that because of reservation, India is not developed country; it is developing country?
Yes, sir, it's happened.
हाँ प्रिया.
But firstly, we have to think why the caste-based reservation has given. Because the lower class tribes, they have low ratio of population. And SSO report 2019 declared the ratio of SC as 18% in India and SC as 8%. So India is conserving these category and tribes by giving reservation, and providing reservation in service is not only to give job to some person belonging to these communities. It basically aims at empowering them and ensuring their participation in the decision-making process of state.
Very
And if
good.
this hope becomes zero and negligible, then there exists a probability that the SCSC may ask for an independent nation where they can exist together, something like Pakistan as Islamic state, except this would be a SC/ST state where at least there's a hope that his or her own voice may be heard. And if the demand for several such SC/ST states come up, then who knows when India may break up. We have just
Sorry,
came out
Priya,
from the issue of
sorry
Kashmir
for
and Nagaland.
allocating quota in the form of nation right to equality. So it always respect our equality ratio.
Abhishek,
So,
your voice is sticking.
yes, sir.
Speak clearly.
So, yes, sir. So Priya ma'am, allocating quotas is a form of discrimination which is contrary to the right to equality. So according to me, equality is wrong way for reservation. Equity is good way for reservation. Equity is supposed to be equal all the society's members in the equal ways. So equity is always remains in the reservation system.
हेलो. हाँ जी हाँ जी.
But no, but now equality is not remain in this reservation system because government
हाँ
willing,
जी हाँ जी मैं बता रहा
government
हूँ, बिल्कुल
just
बता रहा
giving them reservation because government willing to empowering them or supporting
हूँ.
them through
ठीक.
job reservation because if
ठीक ठीक.
if these tribes in one family got job, if in these tribes if one family member got job through reservation, then he will appreciate their all generation. So indirectly, government trying to make chain rule through those reservation, and the caste-based reservation is a type of greed for them for connecting them with digital India and move on from their poverty line. Yes, sir.
Priya, I have a question for you and for Abhishek, you too. Abhishek,
Yes,
I also agree with this statement that it should be given on the basis of financial condition, okay?
yes, sir.
But don't you think India is not that ready with the people, like the people who are just running India in the government sector? They don't you think they are just a bit corrupt? We can't say that they are fully corrupt. They are a bit corrupt. So when it comes to giving the reservation, it just goes by their hands. So it may be possible that they are just putting the reservation on in their side. So what can we do for this if we just put it according to financial condition?
So in my first point, I said
Wait. Let me ask this one question to Priya as well. Priya,
yes,
if we just
Yes,
give
sir.
the if we just give the reservation on the basis of caste, so don't you think that it is a partiality discrimination with the people who comes in the general caste? They just bring a lot of marks. Even though they bring a lot of marks, they don't get selected. On the same way, the person who just gets very less mark, he just gets the job. So what do you think about this? Isn't it
But
discrimination?
but but sir, for poor
Wait.
people of other
Abhishek, give the
caste,
answer.
yes, sir. So my first point is that why reservation comes in Indian society. Reservation is comes due to politics. This is all about the metropolitical surroundings of India. So I complete this point by saying reservation are the biggest enemy of meritocracy by offering reservation through relaxed entry criteria. we are feeling inflation of moderate credentials as opposed to promotion of merit-based education system, which is the foundation of any progressive countries. Meritocracy should not be polluted by injecting relaxation of
will feel discouraged. There will be no incentive for working hard. Some people may not work hard and just live on government benefits in India. And in India, it's easy to hide some income resources and to get a false income certificate.
But according to me, combination of factors like wealth, income and occupation will help to identify real needy people. Most often, only the economical sound people make use of most of the seats reserved for backward caste, thus making the aim a total failure.
But reservation was introduced to give representation to those section of people who were not adequately represented in our society. The motive was to make them acceptable in our society. Reservation is not a mechanism to provide jobs to the one who are needed. Reservation is a tool to make them equal. The one who claim that there is no backwardness now or we are no more practicing untouchability, and it was an central issue. And if I would ask them to, who are the people of lower caste who work as a per day income and who work as your sweepers and cleaners and who are called upon when there is blockage in your sewage line, are those people from higher caste? No, because we still carry that stigma in us, and so they need reservation to come with others.
Vineet.
Okay, I differ your point, ma'am. According to me, my preference is that if any two students who gave the exam of JEE Mains, I giving my some example. If any two students who give the exam of JEE Mains and after some time result was declared, first student belongs to SC/ST caste, they have belongs to a strong financial condition, and other students who belongs to general caste, they belongs to normal financial condition, and both students got the same marks. But first student got the admission and second student doesn't got the admission due to the reservation problem. This is the problem that reserve caste take the advantage of reservations. How fair our governments? It is really big question mark on our judiciary.
But for the general caste people, there are merit lists in which they can fight for their seats.
But Priya ma'am, according to me, caste-based reservation only perpetuates the notion of caste in society rather than weakening it as a factor of social consideration as envisaged by the constitutions. So this fails the society, and it always helps to divide society into different ways. Yes, sir. Hello.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Let's just suppose that reservation should be given. Priya, mute yourself. Reservation should be given on the basis of financial condition. Then there is a question, how the government will get to know about the financial condition of a person, right? You may have seen there is a movie, English Medium. In that
yes,
movie,
sir.
they just want to get their child admitted in the private school that is reputed, and they are rich, so they just become poor to get the admission done, and they just did it. So don't you think if we just give the reservation on the basis of caste, these things will surely happen?
But there is some identification marks on the Aadhaar card with their ration card, that if you have an blue ration card, right, then your income is below poverty line, and scholarship is also given on the basis of it. So according to me, on the basis of
India,
it,
everything has jugaad.
yes, sir, I know. Sometimes some exception is always comes when we do some right work. But according to me, financial is the good way for the reservation system.
Priya.
But
I want to
firstly,
add
we
my
have
point
to
with-
think.
Vineet, speak. Vineet.
Sir, I want to add my point with my friends. Whatever my friend said, that is absolutely right. And my point is, reservation should given only on financial condition its goods, and doesn't give in education fields, because in India here is a problem that India is a reservation country. It means that students who have quite knowledge, they doesn't get to chance in higher educations, good government jobs, and etc. But students haven't quite knowledge. They get chance to take admission, good government job, etc. due to reservation problems. Due to reservation, India is developing country, not developed, as compared to other countries like Japan, America, USA, etc.
Pupils on the basis of the caste because the reservation is only on the basis of the financial conditions, which is right for the society.
I think it was not since it started. It was
Yes, sir.
different. When it was started, it was not like this kid should be on the financial condition. It was for the poor people because there were some people who just on the high position and there were some lower people. To take them
No, sir,
equally, it was brought in India. That was the reason.
Sir, when we go for history with Dr. Ambedkar, who started this reservation system, due to untouchability and due to racist or social indiscrimination in the society, he has goal that he strongly equal all the society members. But after politics is comes in the reservation system, he gain it into education system, he gain it into job system. So it will manipulate all the society members in the politics. But it is only comes in the society for social indiscrimination and social condition
Okay,
of.
let's come to the Priya's answer.
Sir, as you said, this is a differentiation with general category people. So, sir, for poor people of other caste and from general category, there are poverty alleviation scheme and special quota such as economically backward classes, EBC, and economically weak section EWS quota for them.
Oh,
And sir, as Abhishek said that it is continually from the history, then when the nation is being formed, the suggestion is that SC and ST communities will be made equal. But partners in the development process. But when it times to come make them equal partners, then they will not give them that equality. And if you go then in some part of India, there have been allegations that Dalit grooms horses for wedding rice ceremony have been beaten up and destroyed by upper caste people. And this type of things have shown in so many TV serials, movies, web series that are realistic. And if you all have seen Ashram web series, then they shown there how upper caste people treating or humiliating the lower caste people. They are not allowed grooms riding horses for wedding ceremony. They beat them, and government workers and police also don't help them. Even the upper caste people disturb or humiliate them in hospitals too.
Vineet, you wanna speak something on this? She came with homework.
Sir, yes, sir. At last, I would like to conclude on that topic. Every topic has two sides, pros and cons. But I am not saying that reservation applied in our country is right or wrong. But I want to say that government should be given reservation only on the basis of financially weak condition. People who belongs to SC, ST caste, and people who belongs to general caste. That's point, sir.
Abhishek.
Yes, sir. So I am also conclude this debate by saying government take action and close gave reservation on the basis of caste, gave reservation on the basis of equity and poverty basis, and also financial basis.
I
Thank you.
don't think that India is ready for that because it is in our blood that to do down the poor. It is still there. Don't you think there are high standard people who still want this?
Sir, this question arises always because if a reservation system is closed, then politics is also closed. So due to which reservation system is not discussed from India, that is a great
It
point
is not
that said
like
by
that everybody is taking the undue advantage of the reservation. There are some poor as well. You have to understand that there are some people who actually need this reservation. Or if we talk about them, then what will happen after closing the reservation? Have you ever thought on it?
Yes, sir, but at last I said political parties always make arises reservation system for their profit, not for public profit.
Nah, that's wrong.
And sir, I want to conclude this debate by saying that no one deserves to take the pen for greater good reservation. It's time to make changes in caste-based reservation system, but reservation based on economic status is not the right solution. Instead of adding new communities or to the reservation quota, continuously removing people that do not need reservation benefits will ensure that the reservation benefit will reach only for deserving ones. Efforts from